If you're tired from dirt and debris entering your motor and causing expensive engine failure, we're going to show you the best and most effective way to keep foreign unwanted material out and for good. Hey guys, this is Paul from Nihilo Concepts in Stuart, Florida. We're going to show you the Nihilo Concepts crankcase breather inline filter. Running an open crankcase breather leaves a direct line for foreign material and unwanted debris entering your motor and causing expensive engine failure, and it'll minimize the longevity of your motor. You wouldn't run an oil circuit without an oil filter. You wouldn't run a fuel circuit without a fuel filter. So why would you run a crankcase breather without a Nihilo Concepts crankcase breather inline filter? Engineered to give you peace of mind on those harsh conditions and muddy races. It also helps with the longevity of the motor. It works with all makes and models that have crankcase breathers. For any more information, visit us at nihiloconcepts.com. Thanks for watching.